What if you could run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Today, I'll show you how, step by step, using just 3 AI tools. In this video, you'll learn how to start a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT for scripts, CapCut for editing, and Canva for thumbnails. First, use ChatGPT. Just type, "Write me a 5-minute YouTube script for a faceless channel about your topic." ChatGPT gives you a ready-to-use script with a hook, steps, and outro. This saves hours of writing. Next, open CapCut and use the text-to-speech feature. Paste your script, pick a natural AI voice, and you instantly have your voiceover. No microphone needed. Still in CapCut, drag your voiceover in first, then add matching visuals. Use star clips, AI-generated images, or simple text animations. Keep clips short, around 5 to 7 seconds each, so the video feels dynamic. Finally, use Canva to design your thumbnail. Pick a bold background, add big text like Faceless YouTube with the eye, and use bright colors. Thumbnails should pop on mobile screens. And that's it. With just ChatGPT, CapCut, and Canva, you can start a faceless YouTube channel today. If this helped, hit subscribe for more AI tips.